Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both numbers and Viber. Insert or keep both SIMs where you can receive SMS or calls. Viber needs one for initial verification. Once done, open Viber and sign in with your primary number. This creates your main Viber profile and contacts sync. Make sure to grant permissions like SMS, contacts, and microphone so verification and voice work properly. You do this because Viber ties an account to a number. Verifying prevents lockouts and ensures messages route correctly. Next, set up the second number. If you want two active accounts on one phone, use a dual SIM phone with app cloning or install Viber on a second device. Alternatively, use Viber multi-device to link a secondary device to your main account only for access. However, this mirrors one number. For fully separate identities, register the second number as a separate Viber account using a cloned app instance or standalone device. Make sure each account completes SMS or call verification, so both Finally, finalize settings and verify everything works. You should confirm which account sends messages by default and enable chat backups per account so you don't lose history. Go to settings and backups for each. Once done, test calls and messages to contacts on both numbers. If notifications overlap, adjust notification settings for each app instance or device. If verification fails, retry SMS, choose the call verification option, or temporarily move the SIM to the device receiving the code. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.